Hi everyone, final trading session of the week just about to kick off. US cash session just about to start. Main news has been the weaker than expected US inflation, the CPI data, and a very, very strong, in fact a record jobs number out of Canada. A huge move here in dollar CAD. Yesterday we were tempting 135. This morning we've been pivoting around the support at the 200 period here at 134.50, and then the news broke a huge move down under 134 at the moment, a bit oversold on the RSI here, only just 29 ticking up here, so big move down, very, very positive Canadian dollar news there. Huge record number of jobs, 100,000, 10,000, I think 11,000 were expected, 100,000 plus were created. Trade talks obviously still dominating things. Euro's on a bit of a bid here. Dollar's relatively weaker off that CPI number. So we're over here at 112.35. We broke that top here we put on the chart here this morning, and 12.50 next stop for the euro. Yen continues to hold its bid, pivoting around 109.70 now, coming down off that after under the 110 level we got to yesterday on the weaker Japanese data overnight. So we come back down again. So the yen's relatively on the bid, and say dollars under a wee bit of pressure from the weak CPI. Say trade talks due to take place again today. The president Trump earlier. The president tweeted earlier, about no rush to do a deal. Apparently he's since deleted that tweet, but we'll see what goes. He's just tweeted out that the inflation data he's tweeted has been very, very good, but the market doesn't necessarily see that. But anyway, he'll make of it what he will, won't he? It's the nature of the beast. Equities continue to weaken. Remember that key 2.9 level we gave up earlier in the week, and yesterday's low here, 2.840 zone. We pitched down to. It looks like I say cash session hasn't quite opened yet, but looks like we're off to a weaker start. But futures still here popping up a bit, 2.857 under that key pivot we've had for the last day or so. This 2.865 for the USA 500, and finally the commodities. Gold continues to hold its bid over 12.85. Again, that Fibonacci level, that 12.87 level we've had on for a long time now. It's still become a key level. Remember yesterday we tried the 12.91 level, so a relatively strong end, or it looked like it, end for this session. Obviously we've got all of the US session to continue at end of the week for gold potentially. And oil, following the equity markets down, rolled off $62 in the last couple of hours, capped here on the 200 period here at 62.28. So that's all we got for now. There's not a great deal of data to come today. There's a few more speeches up, but the main data was the US CPI inflation data missing, only marginally, but it was a miss, and the big beat for the Canadian dollar. So let's leave you with the probably the chart of the day, that huge candle here on for the Canadian dollar under the 134 handle. So trade carefully, take care, and we'll see you all on Monday. All the best, everybody. Bye bye.